Okay, today we're featuring a 2015 Ford F-150 Lariat. It's four-wheel drive. It's got 22,000 miles on it. All right, it's got a clean Carfax, just 2 previous owners. It's platinum white in color. We'll go ahead and walk around the vehicle with you. We'll start here on the driver's side. All right, it does have the EcoBoost engine. It is a four-wheel drive. Got the 33-inch mud tires with the XD series black alloys. Got your chrome step rails right there. Keypad on the door panel here. Does have blind spot monitoring. All right, driver's side of the vehicle is in great shape. It is the crew cab. It's got the nice big doors on the back. It's got rear backup park assist, backup camera. Okay. Hydraulic tailgate. Comes down nice and slow. Got the D-rings for storage back here. Got the LED lights. Make our way down the passenger side. Everything's in really good shape here. All right, exterior of this truck's in great shape. Once again, it's a 2015, 22,000 miles on it, four-wheel drive, clean Carfax, just 2 previous owners. Let's go ahead and take a look on the inside. All right, it's got your gray and black door panels, nice wood grain trim here, power locks, memory seats, power windows. All right, got the power folding mirrors. It also has the LEDs coming off the mirrors right here. All right, adjustable pedals. Got the nice gray leather seating, power driver's seat. All right, it's got the captain's chairs, perforated inserts. Got the nice console separating the 2 seats. Let me go ahead and hop in here. Passenger seat's in great shape. All right, you've got your illuminated cup holders, keyless entry key fob with remote start, and the power lift gate, or tailgate, I should say. Automatic. It's got your 4-wheel drive here. All right, got your push button start right there as well. Got your climate control area here, heated seats, air conditioned seats, dual climate controls. It's going to have your screen display right here with the backup camera, and I'll show you all that in a second. I believe it does have navigation as well. All right, it's got your leather wrapped steering wheel audio controls, and Bluetooth. All right, let's go ahead and check out the mileage. Okay, it's got 22,517 miles on it. All right, now that we've got it started, get you over here to the home screen. So you got different options here. You got climate, entertainment, phone, and navigation. All right, we'll click on navigation, get that activated. All right, back to your home screen. Go ahead and engage the backup camera. All right, and now that we've got it illuminated here, you can see your dual climate controls. Got your heated air conditioned seats. Right down here, you got your power supply outlet here, auxiliary SD card reader, and 2 USB ports. All right, AC's blowing cold, no problems there. Let's go ahead and hop in the back seat, take a look there. All right, door panels look good. Back seat carpet's in good shape. Back seat leather is in really good shape. Got the perforated inserts back here too. All right, it does have the power sliding rear window. All right, center console. Got your cup holders here. Got another convenient power outlet for you right here in the center console. Got the AC vents right there. Go ahead and give you the driver's eye view of the dash and the layout. All right, once again, we've already looked in the tailgate. Got your lock and D-rings there, tie downs, LEDs in the back there to light up the bed of the truck. Okay, let's go ahead and take a look at the wheels and tires. All right, once again, we got the Toyos Open Country 33-inch tires. All right, tread on them still in really good shape. All right, then you got your, see what size are those? 20-inch XD series black alloys. All right. Once again, it's a 2015 four-wheel drive F-150 Lariat, 22,000 miles on it, clean Carfax, just 2 previous owners. This thing's in phenomenal shape. All the bells and whistles you could possibly want on a truck. Come down, check it out, take a test drive, and thanks for watching the video.